Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog! We're just hanging out, you know?
Gang gang!
Just doing what girls do.
Gang gang!
Sponsor games.
Well, you know what, you're part of the gang gang.
What's up? It's Friday now. We have no school. It's the end of the quarter, so I'm a second semester senior, which is awesome. I'm about to go get a massage. So JJ and I are on our way to Wegmans to try the vegan egg because he's allergic, and we're gonna try to make, I don't know, what are we gonna make with the egg? Just scrambled eggs? Maybe scrambled eggs and an omelet, but...
Can I make both?
Yeah, we can. So they're building a new Wegmans by our house, which is gonna be great. JJ loves to cut through the dirt. Why? We're gonna show you what we got from Wegmans. JJ got a ribeye steak, follow your heart vegan egg. And then we got some dairy-free cheese, cheddar for the egg. And then I got coconut bliss vanilla ice cream. But I got acai too. Yeah. And that's it. Alright, so I switched it into a bigger bowl and we're using a whisk because it has to be really smooth, but it smells a lot like egg. Like it actually reeks egg, like when you open up a hard-boiled egg. That's exactly what it smells like. Okay, so JJ whisked it. And this is the consistency that we came up with. Can't really pick it up, but yeah, it says until smooth, so I think that's pretty smooth. Oh, look at that! My three special ingredients for scrambled eggs. I used some salt, that was black pepper, and some adobo seasoning. I just added the cheese, and JJ just cut open the steak.
Yeah.
Is that perfect? Steak and eggs. Yeah. JJ's gonna get ready to take a picture because he's so excited. Okay, it's very hot now. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite and see how it tastes. It's in the back over there. Okay, well, actually, like, I usually make my scrambled eggs with cheese and like all the seasoning that I put on, and it tastes like it 99%. So, yeah, it actually tastes like eggs. That's crazy.
I'm not allergic.
What? Do you like it?
I mean, is that how scrambled eggs taste like? Like, is that the texture in real life? Like,
Pretty much. It's a little. It's like a little bit watery, but like it's not that bad.
I like it though.
Do you really?
Yeah, it's like,
Is it overhyped?
it's definitely, it's overhyped, but like, I feel like,
Then you might just not like eggs in general.
I feel,
Eggs have a weird texture.
no, like, I like the texture, like, but I need to eat it with something else. I can't eat it on its
You
own.
can't just eat eggs.
Yeah. That was good. Not really wrong.
Alright, so I'm about to go to bed. My family, JJ and I are going snow tubing tomorrow morning, but we have to wake up at 6:30 because we want to be there right when it opens. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. kind of, it's not warm, but it's not super cold. So it's just me, Noah, my mom, my dad. JJ didn't wake up in time, so he's not here. But I shall get some footage for you guys on the slopes. Red Robin. Alright guys, I got a salmon and broccoli and coleslaw. Maybe got a fish burger. Dad, what did you get? I think it's like a hand.
Smoking stuff.
Noah, of course, got.
I'm gonna make it and I
Go to high school. He doesn't have a lot of shirts, but he would buy Armani clothes. High school?
Noah. Noah.
Siya? Part-time dyan.